Long ago, in the land of Israel, two armies stood across a great valley. The Philistines on one side, God's people on the other. Every day, a giant stepped forward.
Send me a man to fight me. If he wins, we will serve you. But if I win, you will serve us.
40 days, he shouted. 40 days. No one dared to face him. But then came David, the youngest son of Jesse, not a soldier, a shepherd.
I will fight this giant.
But David had faced lions, he had faced bears, and he knew God was with him. With no sword, no shield, only a sling and a heart full of faith. David ran to face the giant.
You come at me with sling. Am I a dog?
Then with one stone, the giant fell down. David didn't win because he was strong, but because he believed. That day, God proved no giant is too big when the Lord fights for you. So whatever you're facing, stand firm. Believe boldly. Trust completely. Because with God on your side, your battle becomes his victory.